Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings and enable scan QR codes feature. And now let's try to scan, for example, this QR code. Your device instantly notices this QR code, and you can, for example, let's try once again. Show options, and you can, for example, open this link in browser and let's see what's been encoded in our QR code. And there was this page. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.